My name is Jorge Monge. I work for Nephew, which is a medical devices company. We have presence and support over 100 countries, and particularly I lead the T&E or travel and expenses function. Thanks to SAP Concur's reporting services, we have been able to produce top-of-the-line analytics, and the fact that we have greater control over spend and visibility to it has allowed us to really position ourselves as business partners and not only creating information, but actually enabling decision making to our senior executives. And one example is this particular shift from tactical to strategic. And 2020 has been quite a year, as we all know. And thanks to the vast number of analytics that we have developed, thanks to Concur reporting, for instance, we have been able to produce analytics that have allowed us not only to track, but also to forecast in a way how expenditure is going to look in the coming years. We also produce COVID-19 specific analytics to our executive committee so that they know how travel and expenses are behaving and what's that spend behavior and how it is actually evolving across the pandemic. Thanks to the analytics capabilities we now have, thanks to SAP Concur, we have been able to produce a T&E digest, and it is very, very straightforward review and summary of the spend behavior for each particular business unit, and we are producing those on an annual basis and delivering those to our executive committee. The solutions that SAP Concur provides from a business intelligence standpoint are great. They're really easy to use and really easy to understand as well. The fact that you are able to shift the perception of the travel and expenses area as merely something tactical, as merely something that enforces compliance and facilitates expense reporting towards being able to really position ourselves as crucial business partners, as enablers of decision making, as providing crucial information, exchanging and feeding data directly to executive committee, to our chief financial officer, and sometimes even our CEO, in addition to producing a real set of analytics that not only allowed us to really make business decisions, but also as a global process owner, consider how our spend is behaving and take that into account to make further business decisions in terms of the roadmap that we intend to follow strategically for travel and expenses for Nephew.